In this video, I will show you how to move the apps and file to the SD card on the Vivo mobile. You can use an SD card for camera photo. Now camera photos use SD card storage. You can move the folder or file to the SD card. Now hold down for a while and select the folder. Then press cut. Then go back and paste on SD card. This way you can move the image, audio file, or video file to the SD card. But you cannot move apps to an SD card. I turn on developer mode on my mobile, but I cannot move apps on my SD card. I try with iManager, but I cannot move apps on my SD card. Ding.